वीडियो ले
about the खाने का time. It's only like 8 o'clock, right? So we eat at 3.
How will you listen? How will you guess? Give it to him. Give it to Sriram.
What?
अच्छा.
हिंदी.
Always on.
उसको पूछ. Ask him if it's on.
Okay.
Ask him if it's on.
Okay, it's recording, yeah.
अरे
Even I have to answer.
Oh.
give it to him. He can. Colonial bias and
Hindi.
Fine. Sorry guys.
Hey Sriram, no man. You're standing in the way. Better if you sit down.
Finger.
Sriram, get out.
Sriram, move. Sriram.
Let him act.
नहीं है पूरा नहीं
पता ही नहीं है.
Hey Sriram, move back man.
Very disgusting.
English में.
Horror. पहला word horror. That was supposed to be horror. I thought it was
दूसरा word
completely different.
दूसरा word.
Dude, you call up somebody. The name.
For this.
Dude, I have in 10 seconds.
Okay,
Dude,
something horror. Something
horror.
Something horror.
It's a horror movie. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's not horror. Second word itself is horror.
Okay.
The first word.
Is it the name of a place? Like Will, something Will?
Amityville horror.
Isn't it in English?
Dude, you have to tell by symbols.
Test tube.
No props.
No
pointing.
That one.
Chirag.
Handle. I told you. No. It's an English movie. You're not allowed to
A 7 letter.
Okay,
What is this?
just split it into first part. Lying down. You're not reclining. No.
No noise.
No ear. You have water in your mouth. You have water in your mouth. You want to throw it out?
No.
Carpet.
Comforter.
Absolutely. Lazy boy.
Carpet. Pillow.
Baby.
Mat. First half is mat.
Bed skirt.
Second half is mat. Fourth half.
Giant mattress sale.
Okay.
Truckloads of mattresses. That's what it
Wait a sec. First half.
is. Doormat. Exactly.
Okay. First
Welcome
3 words
to the
are mat.
house.
Okay. Just go.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a 7 letter. Mat. Mat what?
Damon.
Lab.
We cannot say anything. You need to get.
खिदमत.
खिदमत.
Second.
मत guess करो गलती से बता.
Second. Good night, Mat. At.
Oh yeah. जो 12 घंटे मच्छर से
Sriram, no winking, okay?
No winking.
What is happening? This is cheating.
Okay, I want the fourth. Next. Hey, you can't guess the number of digits and answer. Okay.
Binary में शुरू कर.
One.
No,
I said no
no,
ASCII, no
no.
binary, no Unicode.
Okay, wait. You already told us number. Mr. Rules.
Oh, you already started number letters.
He told. Yeah, he already said. Okay.
Go.
Come by. You go.
First you go there, then come here.
No humming.
Bangla.
What is this? You can't do that, okay?
Lab.
This is a.
What did you do? क्या?
Oh, letter.
Girl.
Girl boy.
Your flight.
Crash.
Right? No, you lost it the ball.
Both
And
of
went
them.
away. और ये छक्का. Nice.
What did you do? Are you going to India or something?
Yeah, ये.
What happened?
Hey, you are from Chennai.
If you hum.
We are from.
What is this?
India.
Oh, you forgot?
Mattress is in Chennai.
Or Tamil Nadu. The first one. Why is it again?
Anna University.
You know what is it? Shweta.
What's it?
No.
श्वेता कहाँ से आ गई?
अच्छा, you can't communicate in Tamil and all.
Language. No. Language. Tamil.
Yeah, I thought so. Hey, Tamil. Cheating.
Oh, he said. Oh,
Hey,
it's some other word.
Lying is lying.
That's fine. You can use that.
No. You go. Poda.
पोड़ा पोड़ा
Dat poda. Mat da.
थोड़ा
Second.
मैट फोड़ा
Mat something da. You me no. Mat something. Mat dash da.
Dude. Marty or dumb? Marty or dumb?
अरे they also there छोटी
English.
बोलेगा नहीं.
हाँ
नहीं बोल रहा
what is it English ठीक है हाँ I can see you
सोच रहा है. नहीं अभी एक्टिंग.
You're wasting your time.
In Tamil you say him or her or what? Sriram, they are also
Bye,
very,
bye.
they are also they
Bye.
also know South Indian language. Agal.
India map, Tamil Nadu and Tamil
You know what? I got to drink.
ऐसा तो नहीं
English.
बोलेगा नहीं.
हाँ
नहीं बोल रहा
what is it English ठीक है हाँ I can see you
सोच रहा है. नहीं अभी एक्टिंग नहीं कर रही. सच्ची में सोच रहा है.
this is the actor's moment guys please don't spoil it
मेथड है.
हाँ exactly he's meditating right now he's getting into character come on Anubhav dude ये तो बहुत हो गया into character you start acting ना
Audience भी निकल जाएगी.
Angry है.
ये हिंदी English movie
English movie. First half.
English how many words are there
One word is broken up into two parts.
which part are you doing now first part
part.
okay you can do this right? it's a picture
Photo.
it's a frame picture painting in English right you want a word in English picture
Sketch.
frame portrait sketch landscape
What?
tempera
Painting.
Cubism.
TV देख रहा है भाई.
ठीक है हाँ art what
नहीं,
impressionism
TV
cubism
नहीं TV था आर्ट क्या बोला?
art gallery
डब्बा.
exhibition art gallery
आर्ट हो रहा है.
there are lots of pieces of art on the wall
Miniature रही.
हाँ ऐसे कुछ होगा still life watercolor ये out of focus चला गया
I
है
don't think you got this
Hello.
correctly. Can you just calm down for a minute?
हमारा कप्तान.
English movie. First half.
English how many words are there
One word is broken up into two parts.
which part are you doing now first part okay you can do this right? it's a picture
Photo.
it's a frame picture painting in English right you want a word in English picture
Sketch.
frame portrait sketch landscape
What?
tempera
Painting.
Cubism.
TV देख रहा है भाई.
ठीक है हाँ art what
नहीं, TV
impressionism
है.
cubism
नहीं TV था आर्ट क्या बोला?
art gallery
डब्बा.
exhibition art gallery
आर्ट हो रहा है.
there are lots of pieces of art on the wall
Miniature रही.
हाँ ऐसे कुछ होगा still life watercolor ये out of focus चला गया
I
है
don't think you got this
Hello.
correctly. Can you just calm down for a minute?
हमारा कप्तान.
गलत कर रहे
अभी हम आधे घंटे वो आर्ट गैलरी में घूमते रहते हैं
कौन सी पेंटिंग है बता बट या
राइट गो ऑन अनुभव
अच्छा फेमस पेंटिंग है कोई?
नहीं
द थिंकर सब भूल जाओ
एक
इंग्लिश मूवी तो है ना
word
विद वन
एक
वर्ड
word.
ओके
अब तो ब्रेक करे
ठीक है
रॉबर्ट डी नीरो
अरे यार,
मेथड एक्टिंग ना
नहीं है पुरानी उसको कुछ पता है
पता है.
अरे यार सौ में नई है पुरानी
स्प्लिटिंग हुआ था
फर्स्ट हाफ राइट
पैंट
फर्स्ट हाफ
पैंट
वेर आउट ऑफ द गैलरी नाउ
पैंट गैलरी
ओ सर दुख रहा है वही
हो गया ये.
कौन अरे वोटिंग वोट इलेक्शन हम इम्प्रिंट
फिर से करिए.
अंगूठा
वोट
अंगूठा
हाँ वोट
पोलिंग बूथ
पोल
Polling booth.
पोल
Polling booth.
Oh, polka, polka, polka dots, polka. Politics, pollution,
पोल का पोल ही है कुछ और
pole vault.
पोली नाम की मूवी किसने बनाई है?
I don't know. Could be. Pole vault. Polish sausage.
पोल स्टार्टिंग है ना तो पॉल है
Paul है.
आदमी पॉल
First Paul.
यू विल पॉल
मैं कैसे बोलूं? मैं बोल के नहीं बता रहा।
अरे यार, you can say Paul or not Paul. Yes, Paul. Yes, Paul. Or pole.
P-O-L.
अरे मार दी. Don't give him too many options यार. वो बेचारा कैसे हो जाता है. P-O-L, right? Pole. Pole.
बहुत बड़ा बचे या थोड़े ही बचे
Poly होगा poly. Is it poly something? Poly something? Polyhedral. हाँ, polar compass. नहीं, polar express. नहीं, वो तो एक दो वर्ड है.
सेकंड वर्ड
पोलर एक्सप्रेस
Polar bear. Polar pop.
इट्स वन वर्ड
Okay.
Conjugate
लंबा
बना.
वर्ड है छोटा
Conjugate. हाँ, लंबा वर्ड.
आया ना बोल
हाँ, लंबा.
लंबा तो ऐसे छोटा है
छोटा है, छोटा.
बीच में
बीच में
Okay, is it a very like difficult word? Yes. Okay. Poltergeist.
shift it you can help us
two second half first half
we have such a big team they're just two
They are also there.
हाँ वो भी तो है सौम्या.
Somewhere there also.
we have acted out to them you
but you can't act to everyone here you doing here what
Wide angle view.
India.
again put
India. तमिलनाडु है.
Tamil Nadu.
US
Williamsburg.
हिल है.
yeah, US is fine
हिल है.
Uttar Pradesh.
तू गेस मत कर
fighting
Yeah, no.
fighting of US war
Oh, I get it. Wow. Amazing है सौम्या. Wow.
Yeah.
मजा आ गया.
It's actually good.
It's a good one.
which war did US do
Drinking.
Drinking games. Drinking war. Keystone.
States.
war between states
Bush light.
Oh, in
Keystone.
India.
in US
In US,
Oh my god.
war between
शिवरी ड्रामा
portrait
what?
James Bond.
who was there in the war
Some person.
Oh, country.
Shaheed
Death,
war.
death.
Someone who died in the war.
hang
हाँ शहीद भगत सिंह.
Bhagat Singh.
शहीद उधम सिंह.
in India
Osama.
In US, someone who was hanged. In
Ah.
US,
in UK
someone who died in the war.
France.
is it a kind of a war
Oh यार ये उससे कर. This is really good यार.
she's again flying
But you know, you have to be on the same page to understand. हाँ
You
यार.
are in
अरे
US.
सौम्या उनको भी दिखा दिया.
सौम्या
Soumya.
British UK
ये तो बिल्कुल मगन है इस चीज में.
सौम्या
Hiroshima.
show them you have to
Oh, Hiroshima.
act out to
See,
everybody
See, everyone see.
she is in West Africa
Go.
US.
going to
You
Chicago.
flew somewhere, and then war between the two.
सौम्या declared war.
You
but amazing
war, but what kind of a war? Is it a name of a war?
What kind of a war?
One
Peaceful
for
type. You know, you just poke each other and go hello.
two different states having war.
Arkansas and Indiana.
Funny
You
name.
are
Funny name.
Tamil Nadu.
You are you are in US
With Madhya Pradesh.
LTT
and you went to India and you made a war. Energy Buttu.
यार ये कोई टॉयलेट थोड़ा.
Hindi.
Hindi movie English name
One
is second
word.
half.
two words split into half two halves
Second half.
Yeah.
sounds like something
So you're acting the third half.
War.
There are two states and they are fighting against each other.
Yes. Tamil Nadu, Madhya
उसे
Pradesh.
क्या बोलते हैं?
Which state is US fighting against? US fighting against what?
Telangana.
Telangana.
Mexico.
Telangana.
Mexico.
Iraq. It sounds like that.
The whole second half is Iraq.
Whole second half is
Iraq में महबूबा.
And what is the first?
Iraq.
No pornos, please.
Iraq
Thank
is a
you.
movie.